Hi there, welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make sweetest Yamarita ever. To start, we are going to peel our yam. So I will cut it into this thick shape and then peel it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? So I am going to peel the yam and then I am going to cut it into a thick rectangular shape. But you can cut it any size and shape you prefer, okay, or you like. So I am going to continue with the peeling till I'm done with everything. And here the yam wanted to be stubborn, but Ode she. So here I am done, and this is how thick mine was, but you can make it more than this or anyhow you just want it. Okay, so I will add water and then give it a good wash. I will then cook this yam till it is 80% done. So after washing it, I will transfer it into a saucepan, add water and then salt, and you can as well add sugar if you prefer. So I will cover and allow it to cook, and then I will go on to the next process. In a plate, I will go in with flour and then add salt, powdered pepper, chicken seasoning, and shrimp seasoning. So I am going to give this a good mix till everything is well combined. So I am going to set this aside and then crack open 2 eggs, add salt, and then whisk it as much as possible. So after whisking it, I am going to set that one to aside. And back to the yam. It is okay now, so I am going to put it off fire and strain the water. I will then put it on a tray or plate like this and allow it to cool down completely. So once it cools down, I am going to coat it with the flour mixture I already mixed and then throw it into the egg as well, and then just do like this. Come back to the flour, coat it once more. Here you can do it maybe twice or thrice. Just do what works best for you. Okay, so I am going to coat it very well and then coat it in the egg again, and I am going to set it aside. Continue with this process till I'm done with everything. So whilst I was doing this, my oil was already on fire. So the next thing, I am going to drop everything one by one into the oil. If you are still watching this video to this very end, it means you love what I'm doing. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share this video so it can reach wide audience, okay, or wider audience. Anyhow you will take it, me I've said my own. Oh. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a yummy recipe, okay? And don't forget to follow me on other socials at Hyrat's Kitchen, and you'll just love it there. So I added onions to get rid of any smell in this oil. So I am going to drop in my coated yams one by one, and I am going to allow it to fry till golden brown. And you can fry it to how you prefer, okay? So allow it to fry on medium heat, not high heat. If not, the outside will be ready and the inside wouldn't be ready, okay? So when you fry it for some time, just flip them around just like this and allow it to fry again till everything is okay. So here our Yamarita is nice and ready, and as you all know, we are going to enjoy this yam. So I made some pepper sauce and I am going to eat it with it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. See you in the next video. Bye.